To a new video, everyone. Unboxings aren't usually my thing, but I did need this joiner for an upcoming project. I know sometimes it can be hard to find the information you want when buying tools, so I thought I'd do an unboxing on it anyway. Like the Ridgid of my previous video, linked below, I've never actually used a joiner, but I decided I needed one anyway. So I read as much as I could online and purchased this one. Well, to be true, I probably didn't need it. It was probably more of a want, but hopefully it turns out well. I ended up with the Dewalt DW682K. I had considered the equivalent Makita, the PJ7000, as well as a number of locally used and questionable options. But I went ahead with the Dewalt. I've had good luck with Dewalt in the past, and here it is. So let's open it up, go over the contents, and then give it a test on some wood. So here it is, not much unboxing to do. We have a dust bag, we have instructions, we have something, not sure what that is, maybe an adapter for the dust, a little torque key, and then we have the joiner, oops, nice heavy cord, two-pronged, not three, and presumably a lock or a key to change the blade. And that is it, pretty simple. And there we go, it pushes in and out, you can see the blade there. It seems well attached, kind of hard to get to actually. But let's clear this away, plug it in, and give a try on some wood. So just checking the blade before I plug it in and turn it on. To do that, I've removed 4 tiny corkscrews with the included torque key. Careful, there are some super small lock washers in there. So opening it up, you can see the blade there. It's got DeWalt written on the blade. Reaching around to the top, there's a little, looks like a nut on the top, which is actually the lock. So we'll push the lock, give the blade a good twist. Oh, it was a little loose. There we go, nice and tight now. Now we'll close it back up and pull out some wood. So we have the wood, we're all measured up. I'm going to be doing biscuits on 8-inch centers because eventually I'm cutting this into 8-inch chunks for shelving. We do have our dust adapter. It is indeed what this turned out to be. So let's get that all connected and see what we can do. So here you can see the cut made by the joiner. I cut from the same side on both sides. In case I was slightly off center with my measurement. And now we'll stick some biscuits in and glue it together. So we're all ready with the clamps. A little bit overkill on the parallel clamps, but they'll do the job. I'm going to run a bead of glue down the one side, making sure we get some in the holes. There we go, and we'll do the same on the other. Maybe just a dab around the holes too. Hopefully I don't have too much squeezing out. There we go. I have a bag full of number 20 biscuits. So we'll stick those in. Oh, a little tough to get in there. push it together. Look at that. Lines up nicely. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Let's see what happens when we tighten it. There we go. A little bit of a gap in the middle, but I bought an extra clamp. There we go, all together. Let's show it to the camera. And there's our board. Need a little sanding when it's done, but it's been already planed and squared up. So we'll let it dry and come back tomorrow to take a look at it. So for this video, that's a wrap. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and hit subscribe if you'd like to see what I'm doing with the joiner in an upcoming project, including this very piece of wood. And thanks for watching.